Today we're going to replace an air filter in less than 2 minutes on Toyota Prius. It's the same filter and process on a Lexus CT200H. This is an easy job that's easy to forget to do. So you just pop the hood. In this case we're working on a Prius V or Prius wagon. You can see the air box has 2 clips on the bottom here. You just go ahead and push those aside and that's all you have to do. The other end of the box has these slotted hinges, so when you lift up the end with the clips you can just pull it back. You don't have to loosen the screw on that clamp. Just pull it up and you'll see how these slotted hinges, they just slide out and gives you more than enough room to pull the air filter out. And with the Lexus CT200H, it's a very similar process, but you've got the clips up on top and slotted hinges down on the bottom. Now Toyota wants you to look at this every 10,000 miles and replace it every 30,000. Now, if you got a lot of wildfires or dirt roads, you may need to replace it sooner than that. You can see all the dirt coming off of this one. It's pretty bad and it's well beyond its 30,000 mile point. Here's the part number, and I'll give you the Toyota and a couple of other brands part numbers. This same exact filter fits a lot of the Priuses, the CT200H, and it even fits some of the other Toyota hybrids. And if you compare these, you can see they're not that different, even though a lot of dirt did come off of this old filter. So we're going to replace it with this new one because it's not that expensive and it's super easy to do. Just make sure you press all around the edge before you clip it back in place. And then you can see these hinges slide back into place, and once they do, go ahead and clip it back on. And we're done. Well, if this helps you out, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And if you know anybody else trying to do this, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.